What's going on, everybody? Just want to get you eyeballs into the Capture Summit here in Allen, Texas at Cottonwood Creek Church. Will Chapman leads the production teams here, and it's just so amazing to get a small tour of their facility this morning. And I just wanted to kind of get you behind the scenes. We're here in their worship center, just an amazing facility. They're doing a tour through their production facilities, and they're going to be taking that tour in just a few moments. I'm going to walk out into the atrium. This is where the exhibits are happening. It's a really good turnout this year. Just really incredible turnout from churches all around the area, the region, even people that have traveled in from across the country, and great vendors this year. It's a really great experience. We've got Sony doing a live demo right now. So one of the things that was really important to Brian and the team this year was to create a space where people could actually network and form relationships and build community. It's amazing to have the technology, but one of the things that they recognize is that relationships are just one of the primary things that they want to focus on. How do we get people not only engaging with the tech, but engaging with one another? And so this space here is actually a space that they set apart for people to be able to sit down and just get to know each other. It's really great. So we've got this whole room set up with little sections to just kind of sit and relax, get to know one another, some high top tables. Just a great opportunity to build community with one another. So anyway, just wanted to give everybody a little behind the scenes tour. Yeah, I'm excited to get into some of the sessions this afternoon. Excited for the presenters. It's going to be a wonderful event.